Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to move image in Photopea. After starting Photopea, we can go to File folder. I drag and drop an image into Photopea to open the image. To move image in Photopea, we can use Move Tool. We can go to the left toolbar. We can find Move Tool here. Or we can use shortcut V to use Move Tool. Before using Move Tool, make sure that we select the correct layer. I select the background and then we can press V and then click and drag to move the image. This is the first option to move the image. The second option, we can go to select the layer again and then go to Edit. And we can find Free Transform or Transform here. I will use Free Transform, and then we can see that the transform tools around the image. We can click and drag to move image, or we can click and drag the corner to scale it. And also we can rotate it a bit, and I move it here. If you want to move the image with exact value, we can go to the top toolbar. We can type the value here. For example, I type 600 pixels and press enter to move to 600 pixels in X. So this is how we can move the image in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.